Hey everyone, I've been using this soap for several months now, and I'm telling you, dial soap from the dollar store is the most effective and cheapest way to clean your makeup brushes. I've tried using shampoos, olive oil, dishwashing liquid soap, and I find this to be the most effectual. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how I clean my brushes. By the way, I learned about this from one of the girls at work. I used to spend a lot of money buying all kinds of brush cleaners from Sephora. That's not gonna happen anymore. So I want to give Shania a quick shout out. And thanks, girl. I hope you're watching. You see, it works. After all the brushes are washed, I squeeze out the excess moisture with a clean towel and I let it dry overnight. We're done, guys. Thanks for watching.